Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is April 2nd, 2022. Hope you're all having a good weekend. Let's take a look at most beaten down stocks in 2022. So these stocks have got volume more than 1 million shares. So with that, we got the list here. Keep a watch on 3-month performance here. All these stocks are beaten down big time in 3 months. And my favorites are one with the nice overall score. We got few stocks with a good overall score. Those are my favorite stocks. So with that, let's jump in and identify a few good ones. Look, stock at the top, Roblox. This used to be a high flyer stock. It's beaten down big time at this time. They do have a lot of cash, as you can see here, $3 billion cash. But stock has been battered down, as you see here. At these levels, if you're a contrarian, you could buy some Roblox here, especially because they got nice cash and positive cash flow. This company can do well. Financially, they're stable. But my favorite is Shopify. One of my favorites is Shopify. Look, this stock is down big time. But on the positive side, Shopify is bouncing back. Look, 1 day, 5 days bouncing back. That tells you this stock can go higher from these levels. And we got a few more here. Keep watch on the overall score here. We got RCII and Masimo. Both are my favorites. Nice overall score. And Masimo is trying to bounce back in 1 day time frame here. This is beaten down big time. You could buy some Masimo at these levels here. And then we got a few more. One of my favorites is INMode. INMode is a good Israel stock. It's into medical devices. Stock has got a nice overall score of 88, as you can see here. Stock is trying to bounce back in 1 day. This is a good one, a good long-term buy here. And we got a few more here with nice overall score. Look, Etsy, similar story here. Etsy is also trying to, it's got a nice overall score of 72. It's also trying to bounce back here. You could buy some Etsy at these levels. And look, we got a couple more here. We got RH, Restoration Hardware. One of my favorite stock with a nice overall score of 70. This stock just got battered last week after the earnings announcement. I think it's a good one to pick up at these levels here. And then we got Zoom Video. We got, it's a good stock trying to bounce, as you can see here. It's up in 1 day. 5 day and 10 day. At these levels, you could slowly start buying Zoom. This can also do well. Very good overall score of 77. And then you got Facebook or Meta, one of my favorite stock here. You could buy this one also. This is also trying to bounce back in 1 day, 5 day and 10 day. Nice overall score. You could buy this stock up here. All right, let's look at a few more here. One of my favorite is CROX. CROX is also a good stock. As you see here, CROX is down big time, but look, it's a positive net margin here. That tells you it's a good stock. And look, they got good positive cash flow here. That's why it's a good stock to buy at these levels here. So with that, let's jump in and look at a few more stocks. All right, so all these stocks again, 3 months in this year, they're down big time, as you can see here. Keep watching the overall score here. Higher the better. I like the one with the nice overall score. Look, we got Foot Locker. Foot Locker is down big time here in 1 day, 5 day, and so on and so forth. Nice overall score here. At these levels, you could slowly buy some Foot Locker. Very low RSI. This can bounce back from these levels here. And we got a few more here with nice overall score. Look, we got one with the 100 out of 100 score. It's BNTX. This stock is a COVID stock. Look, it's trying to bounce back in 1 day, 5 day, and 10 day. At these levels, you could buy some BNTX and go from there. And we got QFIN. QFIN, one of the better stocks in China stock. Overall score is 52, which is okay, not too bad. And it's also trying to bounce back here. You could buy this company, and look, it's got a low price to sales ratio. And we got a few more with nice overall score here. Moderna is also trying to bounce back from these levels. Nice overall score. Look at the free cash flow, $13 billion, and they got nice cash, $10 billion in the balance sheet. And stock is trying to bounce back here. You could buy some Moderna at these levels here. And we got next two here, which are also nice ones. We got Himax, nice overall score of 87. And look, we got ABCL biotech stock trying to bounce back hard, as you can see here. You could buy this also up here. RSI little high, I would wait for a little pullback, otherwise you could buy. And we got a few more, as we see here. We got Dr. Horton, one of my favorite home builder. You could buy this also after getting beaten down. It's trying to go higher, as you can see here. Nice overall score of 59. It's a good one to keep. And we got Teradyne, one of my favorite stock. It's into semiconductor testing. It's going down, as you see here, but it's a great stock to buy. Net margin 27%. Company is making money. You could buy this one also. And one of my favorite home builder is Lennar. Lennar, you could buy up at these levels. Look, overall score of 70 here. And this company is trying to go higher in 1 day time frame. You could buy this great stock at these levels here. And keep watching the overall score here, higher the better. And we got here Chinese stock, TME 10 cent, nice overall score of 63 here. And stock is trying to bounce back here. It's a $5 stock. You could buy this one also here and go from there. And we got two more stocks. Arrowhead, as you can see here, this one has got nice overall score of 79. It's a good one here. Stock is trying to bounce back here. This stock got battered earlier on, so it's also a good one to buy. And we got two more here. I got one of my favorite is Shaw, the Sherwin-Williams. It's a good stock. They have, it's known for paint and home related supplies. Look, it's also trying to bounce back after beaten down big time. It's one of my favorites. All right, so with that, let's look at a few charts. From a chart perspective, we got INMode. INMode, look, stock had a nice run, as you can see here. And in 2022, stock is down. And now there's a nice consolidation pattern. I can see this stock going higher. Look, on the balance volume is also trying to stabilize. At these levels, I'm a buyer of INMode. The steep decline is done, and now it's a consolidation. Next is the leg up. And now we got Crocs here. Crocs also similar trajectory here. Stock is beaten down big time in 2022. Now it's trying to form a base. This also can go higher from these levels here. And then got PayPal. PayPal is also similar story here. Stock got beaten down all 2022, and it's trying to form a base and trying to go higher. At these levels, PayPal is a good one to buy here. And then we got here, I think we got PayPal repeated twice. Let's keep moving here and look at a few more. We got DocuSign. As many of you know, DocuSign got beaten down. Look at this huge big drop after the last quarterly earning, previous quarterly earning. And then the nice consolidation pattern. We had one more earning, stock came down, but it's trying to go higher now. At these levels, DocuSign can bounce back. Still very low RSI 54, but stock is already bouncing back. It's a good one to buy here. And then we got Crocs. We talked about Crocs already. It's also a good one here. Look, stock is down big time. It's trying to form a base and trying to go higher. It's a good one to buy here. And then got ARWR. It's also a good biotech stock. Look, stock is down and consolidation and trying to go higher. On the balance volume is also going higher. You could buy this stock here, $49 stock. It will do well. And then got Lennar. Lennar is one of my favorite home builder. Look, stock is down big time. Earnings announcement happened. Stock is trying to consolidate here. You could start slowly buying Lennar. It's a good stock to buy. All right, so with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.